And let's take a stock of markets now. And most share markets in Asia, they have firmed and oil prices are down today morning on hopes for progress in Russia-Ukraine peace talks, even as fighting continued to rage. While bond markets braced for rate rises in the US and UK this week, while Russian missiles, they have hit large Ukrainian base near border town with Poland yesterday. Now that is giving some jitters to markets, but they have firmed up also. Both sides gave their most upbeat assessment yet of prospects for peace talks that is soothing markets' nerves. Now just the chance of peace, it has seen S&P 500 stock futures adding 0.3%, while Nasdaq futures were up 0.2%. Euro Stoxx 50 futures gained 0.9% and FTSE futures were 0.4% up. Tokyo's Nikkei was up 0.8%. But MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan was dragged down 1.1%. It happened by losses in China, and Chinese blue chips, they were down 1.1%. This after a jump in coronavirus cases that have seen the southern city of Shenzhen locked down there and stoked speculations about more policy easing in China. Bonds, meanwhile, remained under pressure overall, having taken a beating last week as surging commodity prices looked set to boost inflation further, with yields of 10-year treasuries rising 3 basis points to 2.03%. Notably, a key measure of U.S. inflation expectations, it has climbed to 3% and near record highs. The Bank of England is expected to lift its rates to 0.75% this Thursday, and third rise it will be in a row, and to signal more with market pricing an aggressive 2% by year-end. Euro, meanwhile, was stuck at 1.0910 against dollar. It's not very far from its recent 22-month and 1.0804 it is, while dollar hit a fresh 5-year peak on yen at 117.82. Bank of Japan is seen lagging far behind other major central banks in tightening monetary policy. Gold, it has lost some its safe haven demand today, and it has eased 0.6% to $1,973 an ounce. It's away from last week's peak at $2,069 an ounce. Likewise, the chance of progress on Ukraine, it saw oil prices surrender a little of their recent gains, even as stocks with producer Iran seem to be stalled now. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.